GoHighLevel versus WordPress. Watch before getting. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you which marketing automation platform is better among GoHighLevel and WordPress. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So beginning with GoHighLevel. GoHighLevel combines CRM, marketing automation, sales funnels, and more into a single platform, making it convenient for businesses and agencies. Includes tools for managing client accounts, making it an excellent choice for marketing agencies and consultants. Offers white labeling options, allowing agencies to brand the platform as their own when offering services to clients. Provides integrated SMS, email, and call tracking features, enabling multi channel communication from one platform. Generally more affordable compared to WordPress, especially for agencies managing multiple clients. Due to its comprehensive features, GoHighLevel may have a steeper learning curve for new users. While it offers many built-in tools, it has fewer native integrations compared to HubSpot, best suited for agencies, which may not be ideal for all types of businesses. Now let's come towards WordPress. WordPress offers thousands of themes and plugins, allowing for extensive customization and functionality. Free to use with an open source code base, giving users complete control over their websites. Originally built for blogging, it has powerful content management features. Extensive SEO plugins and customization options help improve search engine rankings. Suitable for everything from small blogs to large e commerce sites and enterprise level websites. Somehow, it requires some technical knowledge, especially for advanced customization and maintenance. Users must handle their own hosting and security, which can be complex. While WordPress itself is free, premium themes, plugins, and hosting can add to the cost. It requires regular updates and maintenance to ensure security and performance. Choosing between GoHighLevel and WordPress depends on your business goals and technical capabilities. In 2024, the better choice depends on whether you need a comprehensive marketing solution GoHighLevel or a versatile and customizable website platform WordPress. That's all for this video.